Welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to set up Proton Mail notifications on iPhone. Getting notifications for your Proton Mail on iPhone is essential, but it requires two quick steps, one in the app and one in your iPhone settings. So let's get it done. First, you have to enable notifications in the Proton Mail app. First, you have to open the Proton Mail app, tap the menu icon in the top left, then scroll down and tap Settings. Then select Notification and make sure to toggle it on for push notification. So this is an app that it has permission to ask for alerts. Then you can now enable them in your iPhone settings. Exit the app, open your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on Proton Mail, then tap Notifications. Then turn on Allow Notifications, choose your alert style, whether it is banners or alerts. Most importantly, ensure sounds and badge app icons are turned on if you want them. That's it, your settings is now synced. If notifications still don't come through, go back to Proton Mail your iPhone settings and ensure background app refresh is turned on. This allows the app to check for new messages in the background, and that's all you need to do. Hope you found this video helpful.